On August 17, Nissan premiered the US market version of the all-new Nissan Z sports car at a special event in New York. The all-new 7th generation Z is scheduled to go on sale in the US in spring 2022. The original Z, which debuted in 1969, was built to bring the joy and excitement of sports car ownership to as many people as possible. It was a car built for enthusiasts by enthusiasts. Personally for me, I love the Z32 300ZX Fairlady. Not only did that look great, they were also super quick with a 0 to 100 time of around 5 seconds. Unfortunately, I can't say the same for the more recent 370Z. For me, it didn't come across as the most exciting car. One of the defining traits of the Z has always been its bond between the car and the driver, a physical and visceral connection no matter the road ahead. That human-machine bond dominates the new Z, especially in the presence of the standard 6-speed manual transmission, also available in an advanced, quick-response 9-speed automatic transmission. The all-new Z's 3-litre V6 twin-turbo engine adds a significant increase in power output over the previous generation 370Z. It is designed to deliver a sharp, yet smooth response to the driver's input. With an increase of 68 horsepower or over 50 kilowatts and 30% increase in torque, the engine is rated at 400 horsepower, or if you prefer it in kilowatts, at 300 kilowatts, and 475 newton-meters of torque at 5,600 revs per minute. With the increase in power, the engineering team tuned the chassis, cooling, suspension, and steering to ensure the Z continues to support the driver's intentions. In a first for a rear-wheel drive Nissan vehicle, the 6-speed manual transmission includes an advanced launch assist control system that helps deliver smooth acceleration from a stop position. All automatic transmission equipped models feature the launch control system. Manual transmission equipped models also feature a carbon fiber composite drive shaft and Downshift Rev Matching. The new optional 9-speed automatic transmission offers direct and quick response thanks to its wide gear ratios. When it comes to delivering predictable, responsive handling, the engineering team took a multi-prong approach, especially for high-speed driving and cornering. Enhanced body rigidity and electronic power steering with rack assist and strong mechanical feel, and wider front tyres help increase cornering performance up to 13%. Both front and rear dampers use a new monotube shock absorber design with a larger diameter than the outgoing 370Z, resulting in approximately 20% reduction in the dampening force to help minimize impact shock over uneven surfaces, enhance the road following performance, and improved handling stability. The front double wishbone aluminium suspension features the new geometry, including caster angle, which has been increased, aiding in straight line stability. 2 drive modes are offered with the automatic transmission, Standard and Sport. Standard mode is best suited for commuting and long highway drives. Sports mode unlocks the Z's performance potential, offering faster acceleration control, a sports mode steering profile, active sound enhancement, and sports mode vehicle dynamic control setting best matched to take on a spirited run through a winding road. Z performance grade models utilize a mechanical clutch type limited slip differential. The all-new Z boasts an updated exterior design with an appearance that communicates respects to its lineage. Its long hood and short deck are fundamentally Z, with a fresh look. For the exterior, the new Z takes on a traditional rear-wheel drive sports car design, with a long hood, low rear stance, and a silhouette that pays homage to the first generation Z. The designers utilized the latest technology to streamline the design and incorporated LED lighting to give dimensions without necessary elements. The LED headlights have 2 half circles that hark back to the Japanese market-only Fairlady 240ZG of the 70s. For me, they remind me of the lights on the new Mini Countryman. The link to the original Z is most striking when viewing the all-new Z from the side. The roofline flows from the nose to the squared-off rear to create a distinctive first-generation Z profile, whose rear edge was slightly lower than the front fender height, giving the Z its unique posture. The signature transition from the rear quarter glass to the low-slung position of the rear tail adds to the effect. The rear combination lamps incorporate modern technology into the styling reminiscent of the Z32 300ZX, including new 3D signature LED taillights that are distinctively Z, Doesn't that rear remind you a bit of another car? The first thing that comes to my mind is the Ford Mustang. Have a look at the design of the rear lights and the position of that badge, and let me know what you think in the comments below. The Z Performance Grade features a rear spoiler that creates positive pressure where the rear hatch and spoiler meet, midgetating rear lift. The front spoiler takes advantage of the knowledge gained through Nissan GTR development to utilize negative pressure zones. The all-new Z is available in 3 monotone exterior colors and 6 two-tone exterior colors, including 2 new colors, Siren Blue and Ikazuki Yellow, both with a super black roof. Designed to fit the driver and passenger like a glove, the cabin blends modern technology with vintage Z touches. The center stack takes inspiration from previous generations with the 3 analog pod gauges on the instrument panel, 8-inch touchscreen audio display in the center and climate control switches near the shifter. The interior design team also sought advice from professional motorsports legends such as Nissan Super GT 500 driver Tsuyogo Mitsuda to give the Z an ideal sports car cabin for various driving situations. This can be seen in the instrumentation, with all the vital information found in the 12.3-inch customizable digital meter display and arranged to help the driver grasp it all at a glance, such as the red line shift point at the 12 o'clock position. The 12-inch TFT meter display is all new, with 3 display modes to suit driver preference. I can't help but think it looks already a bit outdated inside, with a lot of plastic bits around. The new Z's center stack uses a 3-zone approach, placing 3 analog pod gauges on the instrument panel, boost, turbo speed and volt, within the driver's eyesight. Both the manual and automatic shift levers are new, each of them custom engineered for optimized grip and comfort. The new deep spoke steering wheel offers the driver quick access controls without losing the vintage aesthetic. The design of the seats utilizes know-how from the GTR's development to enhance both hold and fit. The expanded use of suede on the seat back suppresses initial lateral shake of the body, creating more comfortable drives, as well as reducing body movement when the vehicle is aggressively cornering. 3 interior color environments are available: graphite, red and blue. The limited edition Proto Spec features yellow accents throughout the cabin, including stitching on the instrument panel. A limited edition Nissan Z Proto Spec is also offered, featuring exclusive yellow coloured brake calipers with Z logo, bronze coloured aluminium alloy wheels, and exclusive leather pointed seats with yellow accents, and yellow interior stitching throughout. Production of the Nissan Z Proto Spec is limited to 240 units. Nissan will be announcing details for the all-new Z for other markets at the end of the year.